Hey guys, welcome back to this channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to upgrade your achievements levels on Mobile Legends. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is you need to log in into your Mobile Legends account, and if you already log in into your Mobile Legends account, you can click the achievements menu in the below over here, and over here you can click the collections. Okay, the collections menu, and then you can see the achievement over here. For example, I just finished my quest for have 9 emotes, permanent emoticons on Mobile Legends, so I can claim like this. I got the achievement points 360, and then I got a flying wing. This is the trial card. Okay, trial card for the statue. Okay, and I just claim, and then I just upgrade my level of achievement from 48 into 49. And if you want to upgrade your achievements, you need to finish the quest or the task like this: own 80 heroes or own 40 hero skins. Okay, like this. So here it is. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you like the video, you can click like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And if you have a questions, you can leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.